All right, guys, it's our last lesson. Today's lessons are going to be in language arts and math. All right, so if I start with my language arts, just because it's right here, we are still in Module 9. Today is the 28th. It is your last lesson. It will load your PowerPoint. You're going to record your responses in a notebook or a blank document. I think you guys got this down by now. You're going to be reading a story about sea otter pups. Okay, it is nonfiction. It's considered an informational text. Okay, there will be labels. There will be maps. There's a map right here. Okay, there will be facts and details. Pay attention as you're reading. Okay, you might want to keep this available as you take, don't mind Penny, she's getting excited, as you take this quiz at the end. Okay, let's see. I don't believe that any of them ask you for 2. All right, you're just going to give me one letter. You can write the words that are next to that letter, but please tell me what your answer is. Okay, you're going to write those down and submit it to me. Then when we go back into Thursday, I need to change that date there. Your discussion question. Okay, you're going to tell me your answers for 1 through 7. You're only going to pick one. Sue put a pie on the what? She cut a what of pie? Working on your high frequency words as a review. Okay, easy peasy. Then you're going to go into math. You have language arts and math today. All right, we are still in chapter 10, but we are at the end. We go into the 28th here. All right, there is a link for the file for today's lesson. All right, it takes you right to this PowerPoint. All right, here's the math. It's a review. All right, answer the questions in your copybook. Be sure to number your copybook. Send a photo to my email of your answers in your copybook, or you can submit it. All right. Start numbering these exactly as they have it. If you can just start at 5. I don't know why. Well, so we didn't use the first page. We took off the first page and used the rest of them. So just number your pages 5 through 32. Okay, and you're going to tell me the answer. Now that you don't have A, B, or C, or D, you have to tell me the number or the word, okay, or the amount. All right, let's see. This is a cumulative review. That means this is everything we've learned, okay? Everything we've learned this year. I know we did not get to the measurement. That would be the next chapter. However, if you have a ruler, you can use that. All right, you can ask for help. I just want you guys to show me how much you have held on to and how much you have learned this year. All right, so once we exit out of there, remember you can hit escape to get out of there, go back into the Thursday folder, go to the discussion question. All right, and then you have these 1, 2, 3, 4 questions to answer for me. Number them the way that they're written. So number me 33, 34, 35, 36. All right. Emily went to bed for a night at the time shown on the clock. What time did she go to bed? We did clocks. Break apart the 1 to subtract. What's the difference? 62 take away 6. You got a number line, or you can write it down and use your regrouping. Mia had 48 stickers. She gave away 17. You know what those clue words mean. Which number sentence can be used to find how many stickers Mia has now? And then Jamal has a box of 35 crayons. He puts 22 more crayons in the box. Then he takes 14 crayons out of the box. How many crayons are in the box now? I feel like that might be a 2-stepper. Okay, so write me your answers down here and send them to me. Send me your submission. Okay, you notice on the side in the lesson, this is where you submit it, not in the discussion. Submissions, I don't have any for today yet, okay? And anything else you need to make up, anything else you need to finish, please check through your dates and folders to see that you've gotten through everything. Okay, go through language arts, make sure you finished all of it. Okay, it's actually not too much to do if you could just to check it. So all you do, click on the module 8. It'll drop down, okay? Click next to it. It should tell you if you finished it or not, okay? If you didn't, You need to do it. Click on it. At least give me as much effort as you can. Try to catch up as much as you can. Most of you are amazing. Okay, most of you are right on. You did so well. Some of us just need a little more catching up. I know some of us had some technical difficulties, some issues getting online. You still have a little bit of time to catch up. All right, I can always help you too. Even though today's our last day, I can still offer you some help on Friday. Okay, I will be packing up your things on Friday, so I will still have my computer with me. All right, just click and do all these drop downs here. Go into all the lessons, then go to the discussion. The lesson, the discussion. Okay, if you go to student progress in each one, you can see how far you've gotten if you click here. Okay, this tells me everyone. All right, this tells me everyone. So not everyone has finished everything in here yet. Okay, but we're not finished for the lesson yet for today. Okay, so you guys will just keep clicking through. And if you'd like, I do have this optional animal research if you just want to work on a project, do something fun. Okay, even if you just do it over the summer. Put up a bunch of pictures of animals here. You're going to choose an animal, and the information is in this PowerPoint. It's a diorama, which means you take a box or something that has one open side, and you put things inside and build a scene of the habitat of this animal. Okay, you can do dioramas of other things. I used to do them when I was in school, and we did them for our favorite part of a book. So we would build a scene using different like materials from home. I might have used like a small little doll for something. I might have cut out paper and made trees. I might have went and found some fake flowers and glued them inside. It just kind of makes a picture, a three-dimensional picture of the information you're trying to show. I'll show you what this looks like. All right. This has some websites here. All right. These are all websites you can use. All right, this is the information you can use to write down your facts. All right, any picture, watching a video about habitats. These are some examples here of what kids have done. Not anyone in our classes, but just examples that we have found. This one's just like a triangular shape one here. Okay, this one used a paper plate. That's pretty creative. Never saw that before. Shoebox. Okay, some people stand them up. Some people lay them down. This one did even the outside border. I like that one. With the Antarctica, it looks like, where the penguins are. This one, we have a mountainous area with the river. All right, so if this is something you're interested in doing, you can create it based on the animal of your choice. You do not have to. However, you can also do one based on anything that you want to do it on. It doesn't have to be an animal. Okay, if you'd like to send me a picture of it, I would love to see it. If you guys have any questions for today, please email me. I'm going to miss you so much. I'll be doing a Zoom meeting at 12:30. If anybody wants to join, I'd love to see your lovely faces one last time. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, amazing summer. All right, I miss you guys. See ya.